Kihiri kia maabitha uthuthuria matongoretio ni abitha wa thirikari uria urugamiriire uthuthuria wa miri David Sankok matinda mihang'o-ini ya uthuthuria wa keri wa mwiri wa Memusi Sankok nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya Umash kaunti ya Naikuru. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa gutiriho uthuthuria uyu, David Sankok ni ahithurite muthemba wa mucingo uria wahuthikire wari shotgun riu agitanywo kuhaririria riboti na kumineana kuri maabitha uthuthuria gutwarithia na mbere uthuthuria wao.
The initial autopsy actually just mentioned that it was a gunshot wound, but it never established many things like the type of firearm used, the range, whether it's contact, whether it's fire and all that. And that's what we came here to establish.
Ni uthuthuria utanyitwo gutiriha na gucokia kiuria gia kana Memusi niwe werutire muoyo kana arathirwo ni mundu ungi. Riu murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa uthuthuria kaunti ya Narok Mwendo Ethaiba akiuga ni matirihite uthuthuria wa mwiri na kuneana kuri family ya Sankok kuhaririria mathiko.
Investigation going on, isn't it? Yeah, and I wouldn't want to go through that, yeah, because my work is just postmortem. Then after that, I hand over the file to the investigators. We'll go through the second phase of investigation and the final.
This is the final bit that was remaining in this investigation. Yesterday, we were in Ewaso Ngiro in the house of Honorable Sankok, where this incident occurred, and we did forensic investigations in that scene. So this marks the end of the field work that we have been doing. We will allow our officers from this headquarters and Dr. Tungo and file a report after analyzing the samples that they have taken. That will give us the directions that this matter will take.
Mwaria wa family ya Sankok ruciu nino uria nowe mwikarigiti wa kamiti ya mathiko augite Memusi akahurukio muthenya wa ruciu mucikwa mumbunge uyu mwena wa Ewaso Ngiro kaunti ya Narok.
Kwa sababu they have officially handed over the body to the family, we would like to announce to the public that the burial will take place tomorrow on Saturday at Ewaso Ngiro, Narok.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.